Muhammad in the Bible, there are verses in the Old Testament and in the New Testament. It describes where they're going to come from, what they're going to do, how they're going to be successful. It talks about the tribes that will be united under this prophet, and all of them are the Arabs. 100% of it. I did not expect this. This was not where I wanted to be. My name is Khalil Meek. I actually wanted to be a Baptist preacher. That story began my senior year in college. I decided that I no longer wanted to pursue the degree that I was in, and I wanted to go to missionary and become a Baptist. So I said, well, I'll finish my degree, then I'll go to seminary. I began to have a religious conversation with everybody. Didn't matter who it was. Everybody I was around, I just started a conversation. And I asked them, what do you believe and why? And the reason for this was for me to prepare myself for evangelical type missionary work. So I'm thinking to myself, look, I want everybody to be a Christian. I want everybody to believe what I believe. I'm trying to figure out how I would approach them to become a Christian. And in this process, I met a person who I now know is Muslim. He was an older man. We're all in our 19, 20, 21-year-olds. He was 38, 39-year-old. He was from Jeddah, Saudi Arabia. His name was Hamid Eid. He was Muslim. And I asked him, what do you believe? As he started sharing what he believed, I started thinking in my head after just a couple of minutes, you said you're a Muslim, but you sound like a confused Christian. I said, look, it sounds like we already believe the same thing, except, you said Jesus was a prophet, he's not God. I think you're a little confused. So I said, you know what? This is the closest conversation I've had to what I already believe. I want to try to convert you, right? I mean, in my head, I'm thinking, look, I became closer friends to him very quickly, and I started having more conversations with him. He was very friendly. He loved having the conversations about religion. He never argued. He never debated. He never really discussed comparative religion, any of that. He just acted Islamic and listened and appreciated the conversations. And then the next time I would see him, he would bring me a pamphlet, a book, a brochure about that topic that